Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to mute Discord in OBS. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already installed the application and done the necessary setup. And right here, as you can see, Discord has already been added and an audio file is being played. Well, right now, what I want to do is simply mute Discord. Well, it's quite easy. Right here, just below Discord, you can see a volume button like this. Simply toggle it off to the very end in order to mute it. Else what you can do is simply click on this volume button right here. And as such, Discord will have been disabled. In case you want to delete Discord completely, simply click on the sources and hit on this trash can icon right here. It's gonna ask for your confirmation, simply hit on yes. And guys, that is it. These are the ways by which you can mute Discord in OBS. This is it guys, that's the gist of it. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.